finally fucking unlocked it, dude. So I've been trying to unlock the weapon. It's not that hard. All you gotta do is to get 3 hip fire kills with a shotgun on 7 matches. But holy shit, let me just tell you that it wasn't hard. It's not hard to unlock this weapon. Getting the match done is the hardest thing ever because everybody's using a fucking shotgun. But now I got it. We're trying out the AA-12 from Modern Warfare 2, and it's called the JAK-12 here. But you know, we all know that it's the AA-12 from Modern Warfare 2. If you ever played Modern Warfare 2 or are familiar with the game, you know this gun could get you some nostalgia or memories about
what?
Like, and you can add extended mags and shit. And I also saw that you could fucking put explosive rounds on it. Dude, holy shit, this thing's crazy. Let me try it out.
Changing mag.
Oh my god, we were both stunned. No! It does take a second to shoot as soon as you press the trigger, which is a little odd, to be honest. But I mean, it is a fucking automatic shotgun, so it would be way too strong. That was far. All right, something. Whoa! Yo, and I don't have attachments on it. Like, I don't have anything on it, so this is already looking pretty good, to be honest. Look at this. Look at this. This one's already all the fucking leveled up and shit. We'll try it out. No! Whatever, dude. Let's get it. Actually, I think I can pick it up. Let's get it. Yo, look, watch this shit. I think it's slug rounds and explosive rounds, but look at this shit. Holy shit. This gun is nuts, bro. It looks like everybody already unlocked it. Everybody's using it. Okay, I didn't like that at all. Alright. I do need to get fucking extended mags on it. I think that's crucial for this gun just because it runs out of ammo so fast. But,
Reloading.
It might not be very consistent because what the fuck was that? I shot on like 3 fucking times. Give me this. Try this out again.
Reloading.
Okay. Yo, that guy got fucked.
Inbound.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Friendly recon's online.
Okay. Yeah, extended mags is crucial, dude. Definitely. Holy shit. No! 7-5, dude. He's probably trying to get it. Or he's joining the chaos because everybody's using a shotgun. Either or, let's join the party, friends. Join the party. Get that guy that was sneaking up. Whoa!
Friendly UAV
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
overhead.
whoa. Yo, what's up with our team? Why the fuck are they leaving?
Reloading. I'm shot.
Beat you to it.
Believe in second chances.
Oh my god. I'm just shooting this shit from so far too. Whoa, and I think that if you're very close to him, it also is a one shot. We could try that out right now.
What is that?
They left? Are you kidding me? Oh no, dude. And he's right there where I'm fucking at. Oh, dude, really? Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was literally me just using the new shotgun. It doesn't have anything on it. I used it how it is, and it did pretty fucking good, as you can see in the video. I'm gonna upgrade it. Maybe I'm gonna do a video and try it out on Warzone. I know there's a bunch of other people who already posted that shit, but I'm gonna do it either way. And this is fantastic. This gun looks awesome, to be honest. It does look a lot like the one from Modern Warfare 2. It is the one from Modern Warfare 2, but you know how they don't just look the same. It does look a lot like it, and it's awesome. If anything, I know that 100% the extended mag on it is crucial, and there's explosive rounds on it, and there's a lot of shit you can add to it. And man, I'm looking forward to this shotgun. Honestly, it did really good. It wasn't too OP. It's just balanced. And yeah, man, I enjoyed it a lot. So if y'all really like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and it'll mean a lot to me. So do it, please. And thank you for watching. And if you enjoy these videos, remember to hit the notification bell so you know when I next upload. And stay tuned. All right, peace out.
I don't know what you want. Let's have